My name's Mohammed. I work for High Speed 2. The sustainability is key to construction. If we don't look at sustainability, we won't be able to carry on building the way that we are. What we're trying to do at HS2 is trying to reuse the material that we provide for those temporary assets in the longevity of the program. That would help us in cost, sustainability, and carbon. That's the kind of tool that we're trying to build at HS2, which gives us more visibility on the project. Working with smaller SMEs gives us an opportunity to look at things in a more agile way and refocus our attention on those areas that could be improved in the construction process. We need some sort of platform where deep tech innovators, SMEs, and industry leaders can interact with one another, take ideas and apply them within their own businesses. Digital Catapult have provided us with that collaborative forum. It's given us the ability to find what is best fitted for our program to be able to improve the industry as a large, but also improve infrastructure projects that might be going in the future.